V1 base form sell. V2 past form sold. V3 past participle sold. V4 present par, selling. V5 SESIES sells. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb sell? Answer. The base form of the verb sell is sell. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb sell? Answer. The past form of the verb sell is sold. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb sell? Answer. The past participle of the verb sell is sold. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb sell? Answer. The present participle of the verb sell is selling. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb sell? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb sell is sells. Verb forms. Example sentences. V1 She wants to sell her old bicycle. V2 I sold my textbook last week. V3 He sold his car last week. V4 They are currently selling tickets for the concert. V5 The shopkeeper sells a variety of electronics. Subscribe my channel.